of all, actually, I've been through several seminars or team buildings for that matter. But I would say that this one is different because the speakers actually different areas of expertise in terms of their topics, and I would say that they have effectively delivered whatever their subject matters are. And I've also observed that the participants have actually benefited from kung ano man yung lahat ng na-i-deliver ng speakers natin. At basically, ang laking tulong as far as team building is concerned sa munisipyo namin. It has been very effective, I would say. Na-catch naman yung attention and I would say interest ng ating mga participants. Kaya, and I'm sure malaki yung or maraming napulot na magagandang lessons or learning experience, I would say, ng mga participants from this team building seminar. I hope that you would continue what you are doing because you're helping a lot of people. And sana mas marami pa kayong matulungan.